You just found the 2026 Ram 2500. The Ram 2500 delivers heavy-duty capability, sophisticated style, rugged strength, and technology that keeps you safe and connected. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: pre-collision system, navigation system, keyless entry, four-wheel drive, fog lamps, satellite radio, keyless start, adaptive cruise control, backup camera, Bluetooth connection. Comfortable and convenient on the inside, tough as nails on the outside. The Ram 2500.